If you need to find an ebook for writing your next paper, Oxford Scholarship Online is a terrific resource. Oxford Scholarship Online provides academic works from the Oxford University Press and features titles in humanities, social science, medicine, and law. To browse titles, click Browse by Subject and select your desired subject. Now, let's try a search. If you have a simple one-word search, use the search bar here. To get the best results for a more complicated search, click the Advanced Search option. In Advanced Search, click the drop-down to search by author, keyword, title, and more. For this search, let's leave it as is to search the full text. You can also click the plus add a row here to create more rows for additional terms. Let's search for globalization and economy. If you would like to adjust by publication year, you can search by date at the bottom of the page. When you're ready, click Search. Next, let's choose a title from the results. In this case, the chosen result is a chapter from a book. You can see the full book it comes from here. To view the PDF file for this chapter, click the PDF button. If you would like to cite this particular chapter, click the pencil icon and choose your desired citation style. Even though they're huge time savers, always remember to double-check generated citations with your style manual. You also have the option to print this chapter using the print icon. Finally, if you have questions about accessing Oxford Scholarship Online, be sure to contact a librarian. Good luck with your research!